Guys, please subscribe and help the channel get to 90,000 subscribers. Yeah! Welcome to FANS Wethu TV. It's the Broadway Premiership. Orlando Pirates 2, AmaZulu 1. I'm joined by Maxwell Zikali.
Tibos,
yes.
First of all, I want to say thank you with a project that I've been told you when the season starts.
Yes.
We say we need only 5 games. Then we're done.
Yes.
With the first phase of project. So second project, let us get another 5 games. Then if we win that 5 games,
yes,
then we're done.
Yes.
The league. So the only thing I want to say thanks to you guys, FANS Wethu, because last time we've been past this message, when we say guys, 5 out of 5, just win those games.
Yes. And
then even the season they start, do you know what they say? Same thing again. They say, guys, let us rectify our mistake whereby how Sundowns they open this a big gap.
Yes.
And I think now the guys they take each and every game seriously.
Yes.
So I want to say thanks to get out of that cup, Carling Cup.
Yes.
To compete with the other serious competition.
Yes.
Because we got CAF. We got league, we got Nedbank is coming.
Yes.
So in that league, in CAF, we got 6 games.
Yeah.
When we multiply that 6 games by 30, it's 36 games.
Yes.
Plus MTN games.
Yeah.
They give you all automatically 40-something games that we're going to play.
Yes.
So some of the games let us push aside to focus on other serious things.
Yes.
And then there is another guy, it was on Wednesday, game of Sundowns and Royal AM.
Yes.
There is another guy they talk, they got I will say like this, a puzzer face. Guys,
what?
A puzzer face.
That guy got a puzzer face.
Exactly. That was Sipombule.
Sipombule?
Yeah, exactly. Yeah. I want to say this thing, guys. Yes.
He got a puzzer face.
Serious. Khoza is a respected man. Don't go around just mesmerizing with the name of Mr. Khoza.
Yes.
This PSL is because of like this. It's because of Mr. Khoza.
Yes.
Khoza is too old to some of us guys just to disrespect their name to talk like that with Irvin Khoza.
What did he say?
I don't want to repeat what they say.
Repeat it.
No, Tibos. I want to tell that guy. You know that guy they say Rivero, they've been crying for 2 years because Rivero they want to go home.
Yes.
So they must get out of Orlando Pirates.
Yes.
Even lo ubaba asaveli.
Yes.
Makanaki indaba zakhe.
Yes.
Ayeke indaba ze-Pirates.
Yes.
Ukuthi Pirates in what mentality of players inani Pirates idliwe markets whatever. Badliwe Stellenbosch.
Yes.
Even our coaches they never say anything about something. You know that. Okay. Yeah. Even our coach, they never say anything about Sundowns or whatever. I think some of the coaches they must try to respect certain coaches. You understand that? So at the moment, I like the way Pirates they got this engine, guys. Let us keep on supporting our team. Let us keep on supporting our team. We are going very far away. I don't want to mention names of teams with Spoonab and Tabo. Let us. Hey boy. Tabo. I don't want to say with like other fans who say we need to ban Spoonab. No. Let us take one game at a time until we reach in 30 games. But in this history of Orlando Pirates, it was 2002 to 2003, where we won 4 games in a row.
Yes.
We end up being a champion.
Okay.
So even now, Tabo, I'm telling you,
you're gonna be a champion.
I'm telling you, let them dream who those are dreaming.
Are you gonna take it from Sundowns?
Let them dream, Tabo. Let them come.
Are you gonna take it from Sundowns?
Tabo, I'm not scared of Sundowns. I'm not scared of Sundowns. Never. Tabo, uyabona Tabo mangikhuluma ngobafo. It shows ukuthi ngiyamsaba.
Oh, kumangani umanqoba.
Exactly. Busy repair.
Athini?
Busy with no parents, they don't have a mentality to go to careful, they don't have a mentality power. It shows what they try rotation, then we lose that calling black label. So why they supposed to talk about Orlando Pirates while they got their own camps to come? Mangoba. What I'm telling you, even come on Sunday, they're gonna play draw with Bulukwane City, not.
Man of the match, the Max.
Man of the match, I'll go to this boy, Nkota. I'll go to that boy. This boy, it shows like repero. But when they say this word repero, what is the use to go to Spain, to go to Europe, South America to sign a player? While you got our own develop.
Yes.
So we develop these boys. End of the day, where these boys to go? We just throw it on the street.
No.
So let the boys come and enjoy football.
Yes.
This is our own project. Some of them, they are crying to say, Mfukeng, they're playing for wrong team. They don't know where is Mfukeng coming from.
Yes.
Before Mfukeng came to Orlando Pirates, was the product of Sundowns. They just throw Mfukeng on a dustbin, then we pick up a right thing for us.
Thank you.
So let's those players, for supporters for Sundowns, cry for Mfukeng. We polish our own diamond.
Thank you, the Max.